Yes. Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
my name is Aleah. Nice to meet
Well,
you.
yeah, nice to meet you. I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam. So, thank you for taking the time out of your day to meet with me.
Okay.
I am a territory manager at IFP Motion Solutions.
Okay.
So, at IFP, we serve many different industries, which include ag platforms and crane, and we are known for motion control expertise in hydraulics, pneumatics, and technologies.
You do pneumatics?
Yes.
Like, do you have like certain size cylinders? Like, I'm looking for a quarter-inch cylinder right now. Do you have those?
Oh, yeah, we can talk about that at a later meeting.
Okay. I'm just a little confused on why you're here. And kind of what are you doing here at this moment?
So you visited our booth at the ARA trade show in Omaha. Is that correct?
Oh, so no. I didn't go.
Go.
Joe went. Joe's cat died, and so he won't be this
Okay.
afternoon. So this makes more sense on why you're
Okay.
here. So I'm a buyer. Joe told me to sit in to make sure that you actually know what you're doing, and then maybe this afternoon he can meet with you. So that makes
Okay.
more sense. I'm a little confused on why you're here. So
Okay. Sounds good.
continue, please.
Is it okay if I take notes during
Yeah,
this?
go right ahead.
Okay. So are you wanting to electrify your so bucket trucks? That's what he was kind of talking about at the trade show.
Yeah, we make those. Those types of bucket trucks for tree removal typically is our biggest customer
Okay.
for sure. Now electrification, maybe Joe's interested. I don't really know what that is. Can you tell me a little bit more?
Yeah, so it's battery powered. And so, like you said, you're driving from site to site. What I understand, you're driving from site to site and you're parking the trucks and you have to leave your truck running the whole time to uh, make the bucket lifts operate. So with a battery powered, you can shut off your engine and it saves more money and just
So I'm a buyer. How does it save more money?
so instead of electricity is more cheaper than gas.
Okay.
And since you don't have to leave your engine running, it saves money that way too.
So we make these and we sell them. I don't really care if it's going to cost any more for someone to put gas in it or not. That has nothing to do with me. But how is it cheaper, like you said? Because again, I'm a buyer. I want to understand where I can save money on this.
So it is cheaper in the long run, like I said, because it's battery powered. So like gas, but since you're a buyer, it doesn't really matter.
I mean, it could. It could to Joe for sure. I just don't know. To me right now, I just want to figure out how we can cut some costs. That's one of our big pain points as well. If it's electric driven, we have a big thing that we can't sell in California right now. So maybe doing something like that could be beneficial. I really don't know. And some big cities are dealing with noise. I don't know. Is there any noise reduction on anything like
Yes.
that? There is.
Yes.
Do you know what the reductions are?
I don't know that specifically, but I can get back to you on that
Okay,
one.
that's fine. So that might be a big thing.
So it does lower emissions too. So like in California, like since there are a lot of fires and stuff, it does lower that to help the environment
Okay.
if you're worried about that.
I mean, it's a concern. We got slapped with some stuff that we can't sell in there anymore. So we want to make sure we can make as much money selling these as we can. So
Yes.
for sure.
And so with IFP, so we strive to build long-lasting relationships. So for 50 years, we have built reputation on meeting our customers' needs. And so
You've been doing this for 50 years?
not me personally, our company.
Okay, the company. Gotcha.
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Oh no, you're fine. You're fine.
And so we want to increase your productivity and minimize maintenance costs and unplanned downtime to be more efficient since one of your goals, one of your values is efficiency. So we just want to keep your company running as efficient as possible, and anything to help that we can do it to help you
Okay.
as any way possible.
How are you gonna help with downtime, right? Because we're making these, our end customers, we do the maintenance for them. How are you guys gonna help with downtime with that? We can do the maintenance, or if this is an electric one, I'm assuming it's battery operated. Is that
Yes.
correct? Are you guys gonna service all the batteries? Because we don't have an expertise in that. We deal diesel engines and PTOs. What
Yeah.
can you do?
We have a lot of different teams at IFP, so we have a lot of different groups and expertise, so they can help you with that way. And whatever you're needing, someone is there to help you and understand like your needs.
Where are they located? What's the locations?
We have one in Iowa, Kansas City, and a couple others.
Okay, where are you located then?
I'm located out of Omaha and like the Nebraska territory.
Okay, gotcha. So you're located in Omaha, Cover Hole, Nebraska. Yep. Okay, gotcha. That makes sense.
Yes. So do you know like what challenges he's facing or?
When he comes in and talks to me, big thing that he's getting pushed back on is can't sell in California, kind of like we mentioned. Okay. The noise, like we mentioned. If you guys can do the maintenance, that'd be great. That's all I'm hearing from him, by any means. That's it on what Joe's been complaining to me about. But yeah, that's kind of it. Okay, and so like what's your like current setup right now as for like bucket trucks and stuff? Our setup? Yeah. We manufacture them out back. We got groups of guys that put them together, then we ship them out to our customers globally. Okay. And so like if you do want to electrify your bucket trucks, like would you have a timeline or company? What do you mean by timeline? Just when we need to get something done? As soon as possible, I guess. We can't sell them to California. We're losing money on that. So okay. Yeah. So what is like your day in the life as a buyer? As a buyer? Yeah. I get a quote, I order it, and I get yelled at for not coming in time. That's about it. Okay. So what is your main thing you sell or buy personally? Everything on that. Everything. And have you seen any issues with anything? We're having some lead times with our, pump motor group going on, from that diesel engine into our motor, but not really. Okay. That's the only thing. So do you have any questions for me? Not really. I kind of want to go back to that efficiency. Okay. How you're saying that our goals would be efficient. Is there anything that you can help with that from the truck or even throughout just the manufacturing process as well? So yeah, since we have like a bunch of different teams, there's always someone that can be there for you and help you with whatever you need. And we are here to help you and have your business go smoothly. So any way possible that we can help. We are or you are? Because I only want one contact because that's my big thing with people right now. Yeah, I can be your contact person, but I can get a hold of other people. Yeah. Okay, that's for you. Gotcha. Okay. Yes. So can I set up a following meeting to discuss different options? Yeah, solutions for sure. You're probably going to want to talk to Joe though. Okay. He should maybe be back this afternoon. I'm not for sure. He was pretty bummed out about his cat, so I don't know. I don't really enjoy cats, so it's fine with me. But he should be back. I see. So okay, perfect. Well,
Well, thank you for taking the
Yeah.
time to meet with me.
Perfect. Thank
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.